The Philippine Coast Guard Airbus helicopter that will be utilized for massive search and rescue missions and maritime security operations is expected to be commissioned by next week. The Coast Guard Aviation Force 2nd Airbus helicopter from Germany with tail number CG-H145 will commission into service during the Philippine Coast Guard's 119th founding anniversary. The aerial asset is a 4-ton class twin-engine helicopter able to perform critical missions, including search and rescue, medical evacuation, maritime security operations, and maritime law enforcement. The first PCG's H145 light twin-engine helicopter with tail number CG-H1452 was commissioned into Coast Guard service last June 18, 2020. The said helicopter has been deployed in various maritime search and rescue and marine environmental protection initiatives in the past months. According to Coast Guard, it is one of the most actively utilized PCG asset in transporting personal protective equipment sets and medical supplies to far-flung communities amid the coronavirus pandemic.